So our first guest is a Jamaican-born, Los Angeles-based actress who recently was cast as a femme fatale in the hit play Against His Will, and is also in the upcoming TV pilot From Yard. Miranda Melhado is here with us this morning, and she's going to tell us more. Hey, Miranda, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Awesome. It's so difficult to land a role in anything. So let's start, first of all, by talking about your acting journey. How did you get to where you are today?
Well, basically, I fell in love with acting when I was really young. I just went on stage as girl number 4 in a school play, and I just loved it. I knew everybody else's lines. Nobody could touch mine. Yes. So I just really loved it, and I just decided that if this was something I could do with my life, then
you would.
Why
and
not?
So you studied acting. What was that experience like?
I went to the University of Southern California, and it was a great experience. I got to network with so many people and learn and do the craft 24/7, which was just so incredible and invaluable experience, really.
And I'll tell you something, there's so many people, so many talented young people who are out there trying to get their name out there. You must have been very excited when you were asked to do, well, first of all, Against His Will. So you worked with 2 David Herons. We're going to clear that up a little bit later on. So the first David Heron, who is a great friend of mine, and Against His Will, awesome play. How was that for you? Malik Yoba produced.
Oh, it was such a good time. It was a very interesting role for me because it's probably one of the first Jamaican roles I was cast to play.
Yeah.
So, I was well excited.
Yeah.
So it was a very established femme fatale, like you said, kind of a woman, and that was a very new role for me because I'd only been playing very young roles before. So I really enjoyed that experience, and everybody in the cast was so supporting and so loving. It was an amazing experience.
Yeah. Do you get that a lot? Like you go to it and you say, I'm Jamaican, and people say, Lord, here comes another one trying to be Jamaican.
Yes. I mean, once I start talking and the accent come out, they're like, okay, got you. It's at first when they first look at me that they're like,
no.
Are you sure?
But it works because it gives you a kind of diversity in terms of what you're able to do.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Everyone, you can dress me up, dress me down. They call me ethnically ambiguous.
Which
I love because that just means I have way more roles to play.
Because you've done Latin as well.
Yes. I've been called for the Latina very often. And I love the Mexican community and the Latinx community. So